Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. Behind me is our 2025 demo car that's been sold and it's been replaced by what's coming next.
2026 is upon us. Where light fades, design begins. Two shapes wait in silence, split by intention. A new era, where division creates strength.
So this is our G80 M3, which we've had for probably about 14 months now. It's probably done a little over 3,000 miles. We don't really use them as cars, we use them as demonstrator cars, demo cars to show what we can do. That may be springs, intakes, exhaust, and obviously wheels. When we're going into 26, when you're watching this video, it's all about new wheels for us. This car currently has the MW4 onto it and a 20 front, 21 rear, which is still a wheel we're going to be having going forward. But to bring out a new wheel, a new style, we had to up the car. You can't just come into the wheel mark and go, hey, here's a wheel on a car you've already seen before. We had to do something quite punchy. So we're going to take it back from when we got the new car, which is actually an M3, and then we'll pick up on it very shortly once it's all finished. Now, before it goes, it's done 239 miles. Oh. Where's it say? Might not sound that screen if I'm honest. Oh, what?
Do you like it?
Brand new. Yeah, very nice.
Have you worked out the difference between mileage and fuel?
Yeah. It says 239 on it.
How many miles has it got left? Oh, his head's not bothered by it.
It's got no. It's done so little miles.
Switch it off. It'll tell you on the screen. So jump in and switch it off.
Do you like it, Ted?
Ted, this way. This way. No, this way. Never let me see. Yeah. 14 miles, there you go. And Rory, would you like to do a special job? Go on. Would you really like to do a special job? You can take the plastic thing off the screen. Do you want to film taking that off?
Go on, Jay.
That is proper OCD.
It's a big moment. You ready?
Yep, go for it.
No, Rory, not that one. Yeah, I know. Now, coming into 26, for us it's all about colour and heritage, hence why we have the F82 and Laguna Seca Blue, and we've gone for this. This is one of my all-time favourite colours, like the Laguna Seca Blue. This is an E36 M3 Techno Violet. What a colour, stunning. I can't wait to start putting bits onto this. So first we have to start changing things up. We've got to change the kidney grills out, we've got to put the CSL style onto it, and because it's a non-ultimate pack car, it doesn't have the front ducts in carbon. We've gone for a non-carbon theme going with this car as well, so we're going to change it up for gloss black. And also, we're unsure on colouring of wheels, so what we're going to actually do now is get Blake to put the car on the ramp and lower it on the standard wheels. We're going to put our Stance Plus kit onto it, which is a 30 front, 10 mil, so it'll be nice and aggressive for the wheel setup we're going for. But we're unsure whether to go black or gloss polish or a different colour. So we're going to get the car in the air, fit the MW4s in gloss black and the MW10s on the other side in gloss polish and see what it looks like, and maybe that gives us a bit of a hint on which direction we're going to go for the wheels. So let's get it in the air and see what it looks like once it's done. So this stage is now complete. Car is looking perfect. The stance on it is mega aggressive, which is what we want for the look it's going for coming next. One side of the car on the left, we have the gloss black MW4, which is our fully forged wheel, 10.5 20 front and 1120 rear in black. Now that's quite good because you can really see how the black works against the black calipers and against obviously the individual purple paint. But on the driver's side, we have the gloss polish. Same fitment, same stagger ring, 2021s, and it gives you an idea of how a wheel can change the look of the vehicle. While it's on the ramp, we also changed the grille out for the CSL and removed the lower ducts. This car was a non-ultimate pack. In an ultimate pack car, they come in carbon. We finished them off in gloss black as well, just to really get this mean theme going. And of course, last things, 50th anniversary badges. So we're to the most important part, well, not the most important part, but one of the most important parts about a demo car for work is improving the sound. They are just way too flat, way too weak to start with. They sound okay, but for us, we know we can improve on it, so it's time to change it up. We've gone for this here, the ram air intake. We ran this on our G87 M2, and it was absolutely brilliant. I was really impressed with how it fitted and how it sounded. Affordability for what it is, a carbon intake. Fits, sounds amazing, so gone with that. We're changing the system up this time. Normally we'd run Remus, which is a great system, Remus Race. But for this time, we're actually going to do the AC Schnitzer system for two reasons. One, it is a res box with a mid-res delete. So it'll be interesting to see how it sounds over the Remus Race. It should be a bit quieter, but it might add some more tone. So interested to hear it sounds. And secondly, we have their brand new tailpipe here, which is this satin carbon fibre with this polished insert with the branding AC Schnitzer on. They are slightly larger than the Remus ones as well. So it'll be also interesting to see how they do. So time to now is get this up in the air. You'll see a bit of video footage underneath of where it gets cut and where it lines up to, and then we're going to get some sound clips from it, and hopefully it will start to sound more like a proper Motech demo car than it currently does now. Right, so the important part of any build in our eyes is adding the styling. You have to look at this as building foundations. This is really important to the car, the overall look. Currently the car is obviously on our springs and wheels at the minute, and it's had the grille and lower canards already done. It did need them for the aggressive look we're going for. Now, I was a big fan of colour coding on previous cars. We've done the 340i, 340D I should have said. We had a couple of years back, had the same spoiler kit from AC Schnitzer, and we painted that Portimao blue. And ever since then, we've done a few customers cars, but I always wanted to come back and revisit it. And of course, we're AC Schnitzer UK, so this is the complete styling kit they offer for the G80. We have a number of different parts: front splitters, side skirts, twin spoilers, one for the roof and one for boot, and the boot is colour coded. Like I said, that is really exciting to me. And a few little details that we'll pick up on when the car's done, including protection strips for the sides, because obviously they're gloss black, they do get damaged, the boot protection strip, and bonnet design elements. These are really smart. Now, it's one of those things, if you just put them on the car with nothing else on, it's gonna look a bit weird, but it really starts to finish it off. And when you see the car complete, all this will really start to make a lot of sense. So on to wheels. Now, What's important for us going forward is obviously, as you know, our wheels. We're actually coming into our 7th year of our own wheel range. We start with the MW1 and we're going still with the MW1 but into something else. When you're thinking about designing a wheel, you sometimes have to look back. Now, when this car came available, and obviously we knew we were going to change out the M2 into the M3, colour was always very important, one for social media and two for obviously talking points as well. As you know, this is an E36 M3 colour, so it's a very personal colour. I love it, I think it's great. Techno Violet, what a colour. Now, they came with a split 5-spoke wheel. That's very similar to a lot of BMW wheels now. Okay, styles have changed, but a split 5-spoke have been around forever. And the MW1 is a split 5-spoke. Now, on the genuine M3 wheels, they had a split spoke with a bit of a dish. So I wonder what an MW1 would look like with a bit of a dish. Or in fact, I wonder what an MW1 would look like with a 2-piece dish. So this is actually the new wheel, the MW1.2. 0.2 because it's a 2-piece split rim. This is our first split rim. So we do flow formed wheels, fully forged, and now a split rim. And what's great about this really gives some customizing options. So as you can see, new color center. In fact, we've also got them in black as well. So this car you'll see shortly with this color, which is actually the white gold. So it's a satin white gold, and the other side will have gloss black with the polished barrels. But going forward, we have the ability to paint barrels and change the center of the wheels. And also, like our forged range of wheels, we're going to carry stock. So turnaround is about 2 weeks if we have stock of them. A lot of places at the minute, everything is custom made. Barrels, of course, are ready to go. Centers will be ready to go. They just need drilling, machining to what offset. But we'll have G80 fitments, so G80, G87, G84 and G82 fitments ready to go on the shelf. But this setup with the white gold against this is going to look absolutely stunning. But of course, we've got to try the black as well. So let's get them fitted up, put on the car, and we'll see which you prefer. So 2025 car M2 was an individual Grigio Terrestro. We've now gone for the individual E36 M3, a very special color, Techno Violet. We've done that because of the MW 1.2 two-piece wheels have this old school sort of dished vibe. We love it. I think BMWs look really great with a dished wheel as well. A number of things we've done on the car is the AC Schnitzer styling, which works really well. We've done a few of this before. As you know, the M2 runs a full kit, but on this one we left it satin black, but in places painted it as well. So going from the front to the back. Front, changed out the grille to the CSL, the lower ductor and the gloss black as well to complement the canards and the AC front. Stance-wise, car is on our stance spring kit, so this is a 35 front and a 10 rear, runs the CSL bump stops, and absolute perfect. For this sort of look, this spring kit is perfect. Exhaust this time, we actually fitted the AC Schnitzer. So it's an OPF back, but it has a larger box than the Remus. In another video coming soon, we'll do the rev between the two so you can see the difference between the Remus race and the AC Schnitzer one. And they were quick enough to send through their latest tailpipe, which is a carbon tailpipe with a polished insert, which works well with the polished lip. Body colored spoilers, roof and boot finish it off along with the 50th anniversary badges. This car's come out absolutely stunning. Now, and you can see this side of the car, we actually have the MW 1.2 finished in the new white gold. It looks great against this color. On the other side, we have the gloss black. Now, we've done that to showcase both wheels, both styles, obviously available in a number of different colors. But which one do you prefer? For me, on this finish for a show car, for a demo car for us, it has to be the white gold. But let us know what you think. Let us also know what you think of the M3. Are you going to miss the M2? I think we're going to still see it about in shows and stuff like that. And overall, let's get excited for 2026.